great. Normally, I don't get excited over an Otis Gen2 like this, but anyways, look at this. Look, there goes the counterweight. This right here is a glass elevator. There's the other car right there, see? You see the car operating panel right there. Anyways, this is at the Dillon in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. This is the elevator lobby. Anyways, let's take a ride. Here we go. There's this elevator car right here. That lantern doesn't work. 9. We're stopping for some reason. Going up?
Yeah.
Up 9, right?
Yes, please.
Alright, have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
See, look at that. There's a lobby out there, and look to your right. There's the train tracks that leads into Union Station. Look at that. Look, there's a train tracks right there. This is an amazing. This is by far one of the best views I've ever seen on an elevator. All right, let's get on to 1. Anyways, we're gonna do another trip on this since I got interrupted during the first round. Anyway, this is just your basic elevator. Looking on the ceiling, who do you see? Hi. I love this pavilion. Alright, up to 9. Door close one works. I love that. You get a best view of the train tracks right there. Alright, let's go down to 1 and we'll switch cars. The elevator car on the left is broken. Hear the brakes starting up. Got an EST Genesis speaker strobe in an elevator car. Never seen that before. Need your fixtures. Alright, we'll send this up and we'll get that car right there. See, that one over there is broken.
Going up.
And this lantern works. Anyway, there's your door interlock. You can see up the shaft. I wonder if it's a Gen2. Yep, it's definitely a Gen2. Yep, definitely a Gen2. I can see the ropes, or the belts actually. I can see the belts up there. This is definitely a Gen2. This thing's kind of wobbly. Oh, Taryn's right there. Alright.
Going down.
Let's go back down to 1 in the video at 9 because I left my belongings upstairs with the security console who allowed me to film these elevators. Anyway, this is just like the other one. Again, there's the view of the train tracks.
First floor. Going up.
Door close one works. I love that.
Ninth floor.
Hear the brakes.
Going down.
Here's your lantern. Alright, there it goes. Listen to that motor.